Ever wondered what makes London a magnet for millions? Dive into the heart of this global icon and uncover its secrets. From Roman Londinium to the bustling metropolis of today, London's history is a captivating journey through time. Stand in awe of iconic landmarks like the Tower of London, Westminster Abbey, and the majestic Buckingham Palace. Discover the pulse of London's financial districts and understand why it's a global economic powerhouse. Navigate the intricate web of London's transport system, from the underground to river cruises, like a seasoned local. Immerse yourself in London's vibrant art scene, from West End theatres to world-renowned museums like the British Museum and Tate Modern. Get insider tips on dining, shopping and hidden gems that only locals know about. Explore the diverse boroughs of Camden and Shoreditch, each with its unique charm and trendy vibes. Learn from Nikolai Svetku's expertly curated guide, blending historical depth with practical advice for every traveler. London, a city that has hosted the Olympics 3 times, is waiting for you to explore its dynamic and culturally rich landscape.